Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling API services in game settings so Roblox allows server data store calls. Next, define your key format and scope because consistency prevents collisions later. Once done, plan the data shape, decide which fields are saved, which are cached, and what default values look like. Make sure to choose sensible types: strings for ID, numbers for counters, tables for inventories. This sets the foundation, so reads and writes remain predictable under load. You now implement server-side read and write logic using Datastore service. Get Datastore with your chosen scope. Always wrap get async and set async inside pcall so failures don't crash your game, and add exponential backoff retries to handle throttling. Once done, serialize nested tables safely and split very large blobs into multiple keys if needed. Make sure to cache hot values in memory to reduce Datastore calls, and use update async for atomic increments where race conditions can occur. You finish by creating a reliable save flow, periodic autosaves plus immediate saves on player leave or critical events. Use update async for atomic operations to handle concurrent edits, and fall back to get async, then set async when you need full control. Once done, implement recovery, default data generation, versioned keys, and logs for failed saves. If things go wrong, check throttling errors first. Then look for unhandled pcall failures. Those two issues cause most Datastore problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.